all over the world. But here's something you probably didn't know. Our first feature performer, the world's strongest kid, is also from your school. How am I going to find the world's strongest kid? The one kid with enough muscle and 2 fingers to lift another kid into the air. Well, I have to be fair to everybody. Kid in the blue shirt, blondish colored hair. Come on, help me out. Come on, come on, come on. How about a girl? How about a girl? How about a girl? How about that girl right there? Come on, come on, come on. Good job. Hi, you stand right here. You stand over on this side. Good job. Here we go. Perfect. Let's find out who we have here today. Hi there, what is your name?
Isabel.
Isabel, what grade are you in?
2nd.
Isabel's in 2nd grade. What is your name?
Colton.
Colton, what grade are you in?
5th.
Colton's in 5th grade. Little girl. Pretty hair. 2nd grade. Big guy. Big muscles. 5th grade. I know what you guys are doing. I said one of these kids was gonna lift the other kid in the air with 2 fingers, right? And you're guessing about these kids. You're guessing the big guy with the big muscles is gonna lift in the air the little girl with the pretty hair. And I've got news for you. What? Oh. Well, Smudgy, I was just gonna say that. If you're guessing about my friends because of the way they look or the way they dress or the way they act, you're not being fair to them. In fact, you're not being fair to yourself. So how about we do this one more time? Ah! This time, instead of guessing about my friends, we're going to be fair to them by letting them show us what they can do. You, sir, do me a favor. Have a seat right here for a couple of seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like for you to meet the world's strongest kid. It's Isabel. Isabel, come over here. You, stick out your 2 fingers like this. Come on over here. I want you to touch him right here under the chin like this. Don't bite her. Here's the deal. If you meet someone new, someone you know nothing about, and you guess about them because of the way they look, the way they dress, the way they act, or the way they sound, you could miss something truly amazing. You touch it out. Be fair to other people. Be fair. And I promise you this, if you don't guess about others, they won't guess about you. Hey, Colton, stand up and give both Isabel and Colton a big clap for being awesome.